Hello once again on Google Cloud. Right here I was checking some deployments with rolling out replicas and pausing the deployments. And right here you're going to create a Canary deployment, which is a Canary consists of a separate deployment with the version and service, and all the targets, both your normal and stable deployment as well as your Canary deployment. So in case right here I'm going to run a YAML file, this okay, hello Canary, I call it. Let's create a deployment. Created. Let's get our deployments. There's hello Canary, all the other stuff. Maybe we can see. Maybe now we're gonna see here on workloads. And in case here I'm going to verify the Canary deployment with this command. Cur, it's gonna get the front-end JSON the IP address. Okay, our version, perfect. And in production, sorry, we're gonna check something for our Canary deployments in production, and also maybe something with blue-green. So in case here, we're going to run service hello blue-green. Okay, services. We're going to update a blue-green deployment. So let's create a green deployment. We're gonna run the deploy. I'm gonna open the editor, then I can show the code itself later. I'm gonna deploy the hello green. Okay. And now let's execute this command for getting the version. Okay. Now I'm gonna run a service hello green. And I'm going to cur also the version of it. Alright, so different versions. So in case right here I'm going to apply service hello blue. After we go deep into details of it. Alright. Let's check the version of it. Version 1.0. Go to workloads. We have the hello green. Hello green, hello blue, it's got a hello. So that's my service. So that's all I'd like to share, having more than one version and of the same deployment services, which is a proxy of the workload. That's all I'd like to share, and thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.